Hello, I'm Dr. Levan Hayrapetyan, a business professor at Houston Baptist University. In this short video, I will demonstrate how we can generate association rules using analytic solver. So what are association rules? In marketing, analyzing customer behavior can lead to insights regarding the placement and promotion of products. Specifically, marketers are interested in examining transaction data on customer purchases to identify the product commonly purchased together. We will discuss the development of probabilistic if-then statement called association rules, which will be used to address this issue. These association rules convey the likelihood of certain items being purchased together. Although association rules are an important tool in market basket analysis, they are also applicable to disciplines other than marketing. For example, association rules can assist medical researchers in understanding which treatment have been commonly prescribed to certain patient symptoms. So what I will do now, I will show you how we can generate association rules using analytic solver. And detailed explanation about how to interpret the rules you can find in textbook as well as in PowerPoint presentations. So let's start. Here I have data on how many? 3, 6, 10 transactions. So each transaction is one shopping cart. You can imagine the first shopping cart. We have bread, peanut butter, milk, fruit, and so on. 1 means that product is in the basket. 0 means it is not. Now click anywhere inside of this data set. Go to the data mining. Select association and click association rules. We'll get this tiny dialog box. As always, we have to make sure that the data range is correct, which in this case it is correct, A1 through N11, correct. First row contains headings that is checked, which is correct. Our first row contains heading. And then data is in binary matrix format. It is correct. Binary matrix, which means zeros and ones. Now what we'll specify here, we'll specify, let's say, minimum support. Let's use 4, and minimum confidence, 50%. And click OK. That's all we need to do. And then software will generate association rules, and it will be on AR output, which stands for association rules. This one is not important. I can delete this because this contains its PMML model, which is beyond the scope of this course. So this is what we'll discuss. If you scroll down, you can see here the summary. We have 10 transactions. In each transaction, we have the maximum number of items is 14. And software came up with 52 association rules. And these are those 52 association rules. So each rule, detailed explanation how to interpret each number in each rule is given on the PowerPoint presentation, and also you can find it in the textbook. But one important characteristic which I want to emphasize here is a lift ratio. And the lift ratio, which means numbers in this column, the lift ratio basically tells you the strength about the association rule. The higher lift ratio, the stronger the rule is. In order to see the best rules, which means the ones with the highest lift ratio, one common technique is just to sort this data. I'm highlighting it, which means I'm selecting. I'm going to Data tab, Sort, and I will sort by lift ratio. Since I would like to sort from largest to smallest because the top association rules are the ones with the highest lift ratio. So click OK. And we got all the rules. The rules are sorted according to the lift ratio. How to interpret lift ratio? Again, this interpretation is explained in details in my PowerPoint slides. However, let me just repeat one more time. Let's say, what does this mean? Rule number 4. It says, then when it says peanut butter related to peanut butter and milk. So it's the meaning of this is that if a person purchased peanut butter, then there is 66.7% chance or probability, more probability that the person will purchase also the milk compared to just average customer. How I got that 66.7? So whichever the lift ratio is, you subtract 1 from lift ratio and convert that difference into percentage. Converting into percentage means multiplying by 100. Like what's the meaning of this? Let's say something here. This one also, again, it's 1.67, which tells us that if person purchased fruit and soda, then there is approximately 66.7% chance, higher chance that the person will purchase potato chips compared to just a regular or randomly selected customer. The same way, when you have 2 in here, that means you have to subtract 1 and convert into percentage, and we'll end up with 100%, which means if the person purchased jelly, then it's 100% more likely that the person will purchase also bread compared to the average or random customer. That's how you interpret lift ratio. This concludes my short video. Bye-bye.